Hey everyone, in today's quick tutorial I'll show you how to access your Notability Notes directly on your Windows PC without needing a Mac or iPad. So let's get into it. First of all, simply open your browser. You can use any browser like Brave, Chrome or Microsoft Edge. I'll use simply Chrome. Then simply sign into your iCloud account. Simply type here iCloud.com or iCloud simply. After you have entered iCloud.com, simply sign into your iCloud. After you have signed into your iCloud, log in using the same Apple ID that you use with Notability on your iPad or phone. And another step is to open iCloud Drive. Simply open iCloud Drive after you have logged into your iCloud account. Inside iCloud Drive, look for a folder named Notability. Then your notes should be there saved either as PDF or notes file. And another step is to download your notes. To download, just click the note and select download. If it's PDF, you can open it right away on Windows. If the file is in note format, you will need to export it as PDF from your iPad or set up auto backup to Google Drive in Notability for future access. And that's it, you have successfully accessed your Notability Notes on Windows. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.